Hey guys, Adam here from the Tint Academy. We got a question on our YouTube from one of our followers that asked, how do I prevent getting contamination in a hatchback? Now, a hatchback is a little bit of a different scenario because a lot of hatchbacks are going to have this wing here. So with a lot of your prep, we don't get all that dirt that's tucked up underneath here. If you see this picture that we just threw up on the screen, you can see all that dirt hangs out underneath this wing. So now if you're going to take that wing off and get it clean, if not, here's a couple tips how to prevent contamination during your install on the hatchback. Now, first thing is, when I'm going to relieve my liner, is my spray. So a lot of people would be very aggressive with their spray, spray it at will. That's going to collect that. So if I'm spraying my nozzle point up here, it's going to come up, bring all that dirt back down into our film, leaving dirt contamination. Second thing is a lot of hatchbacks are going to have this rear wiper as well. So I've seen in videos that guys send me is when they spray here. All the dirt that comes off that is going to hit into the film. We want to prevent that. So step one is make sure you control your spray. Always spray down, don't spray up. Watch out for that rear window wiper. Second thing is if you're having trouble with that contamination, we suggest not peel it right off the back of the window. So before we install, we take off this liner, we spray it down, and we bring it to the inside of the car to do our installation. To prevent that, we can take it off, use the side of the car, or bring it to a peel board, which is a big piece of glass, peel it from there to prevent all that dirt that's hanging out up underneath the wing and onto the rear wiper to get into our film. Now, we're not showing you any kind of installation with the rear view mirror. In the links and comments below, you'll see a couple links on how to do a hatchback and how to do a sedan and how to prevent all that contamination. We'd love to hear your questions, so send us any questions you have if you have issues with your window tinting jobs and installations.